everybody, I hope you're all doing well. So I asked you guys on my Instagram stories yesterday what kind of vlog content you'd like to see me doing between daily life stuff, like me just chilling at home doing my own thing, or when I have more planned, like days in London or going traveling or something like that. And it was pretty mixed, but you guys seem to really like the idea of me doing daily life stuff, so that is what this vlog is. My sister is cooking something downstairs and it smells absolutely amazing. She has told me basically there's a trend on Instagram and Pinterest at the moment for these letter cakes. I don't know if you've seen them, but they look really cool. She's doing a unicorn one of those, which just sounds insane, so I absolutely cannot wait. She's a food blogger if you didn't already know, and it just smells so good in the house. And I've already eaten breakfast and it's making me hungry again, which I do not need. And I've already put my makeup on today because I'm filming later. This is pretty much just my everyday makeup, which is an upcoming video by the way. And talking of upcoming videos, I'm really wanting to do a Q&A. In the past I've asked you guys to ask me Q&A questions, and then I've never got round to doing the Q&A, which is my own fault. So next week I'm going to sit down, kind of do a vlog style Q&A. So if you can let me know down in the comments if you have any questions for me. It could be what my favourite coffee drink is, or who my celebrity crush is, because I have a few. I will be sure to try and include as many of those in my Q&A as I can. And yeah, I'm gonna go down and see what on earth my sister is cooking. So just quickly, these glasses, yay or nay? I mean, I can't work out whether I suit glasses or not, and my eyes are really deteriorating. These are only fake glasses from H&M. But I'm preparing fully for the fact that I might need glasses in a few years, because I can't see, guys. Like, are they granny chic, cool, not cool? Let me know. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. So I don't know whether you guys have seen the trend for these letter and number biscuits. I'll put them on screen, but that's the trend at the moment. It's absolutely everywhere. So my sister has decided to make a unicorn version. This is just in its early stages. So it's got a three ingredient biscuit?
3 ingredient cookie base and then just a vegan buttercream.
Yeah, so it's got 3 ingredient cookie, then icing, then the cookie again, and then icing. And then the same for the horn and the ears. Yeah. Ooh, it's glistening in the light. It's really pretty. Where's this from? I've got icing. Icing is literally all over my hand. I would have thought that was like makeup or something. It's really pretty. And then loads of flowers and petals, and they're basically going to go here to make the mane and make it look crazy. We're just waiting. Yeah, we're just waiting on some strawberries as well to put all over it, make it look absolutely crazy. Then using the black icing, which is now all over my hands, put some little eyes. So you just wait, guys. In this vlog I will show you the transformation of this early stage unicorn to looking absolutely incredible. Food. Why are there pens?
Food. They're edible.
Are they?
Yeah, they're edible markers.
Are they? Where? What? They literally.
They look like crayons, don't they? No, they're edible.
They look like little kids' pens.
They're edible though.
Oh my god, I didn't know that at all.
That.
I just thought you had a really nice box full of icing and stuff, and then a random load of children's pens. That is like, my mind's blown, JD.
Yeah.
Yep. And obviously, guys, just to let you know, take any flowers if you decide to make this. Do not eat the flowers because they're not edible. You can get edible flowers, but these aren't. I'm actually really jealous of this box. These are by Baking Time Club, and she's got so many sprinkles. I found these on Etsy, and then Holly literally that night placed the biggest order. This is the moment of truth that could wreck everything. She's going back over the eyes because, as you can see, they're a little bit wobbly. See, this is what it's like when I do my eyebrows. It's like one side's fine and then the other side, which isn't my dominant hand, is like, oh, ruined.
Have I ruined it?
No, I was saying about my eyebrows. I was out yesterday and I did a little bit of shopping in Topshop, so I thought I'd just do a little Topshop haul for you guys because I had a few exchanges. I thought I would then exchange them for the bits that I really liked. So the first thing I got is this t-shirt that says "All You Need Is Love" and then written by John Lennon and Paul McCartney by And Finally, which is a concession at Topshop. And I've seen the Heartbreak Hotel version of this, which was in a sweater form, and I've seen it on pretty much every blogger and YouTuber that I follow on Instagram. And I like Elvis, but I've grown up listening to the Beatles and I love this. It's one of my favourite songs of all times, so I had to get it. And the font is really cool. It's retro. I really like this t-shirt. I got 2 camisoles and I got a black one which has a square neck, which I'm very happy about because I've been looking for one with a square neck for the longest time. You have no idea. And this one is exactly what I was looking for. And then I got this polka dot one. Polka dots are really in this season, and I love the button up detail at the front. Kind of reminds me of a wedding dress. I don't know if anyone else gets that. You know how up the back of a wedding dress it has all of the little close together buttons. So I really like that detailing too. I got this cropped sweater that says Austin, Texas on it, and this is by the brand Tea and Cake, which are always in Topshop, and I really like how their label has a little ingredients list on it as well. And it's just an orange. I thought it was really nice casual piece. And finally, this angle is not doing this dress any justice, but this is one of the prettiest pink dresses. It has flared arms, frilly neckline, and then it goes down to these 3 buttons here, and then it flaps over across the front. And I love the kind of oriental print of it as well, but at the same time it's a really delicate English afternoon tea dress, if you get what I mean. And to be fair, for a Topshop dress it wasn't too expensive, so I'm very happy about this. I haven't tried it on yet, but I'm sure, well, I'm really hoping it looks nice. I have a lipstick recommendation for you guys, and it's what I'm actually wearing today. It's like a muted, I don't know if you can see, like muted nude purple colour, which I am all about, and it's actually from Primark. Would you believe I've had this in my collection for a few months and never gone for it. Then the other day I reached for it because I really wanted a purpley lip colour, and I've been wearing it non-stop ever since. I have a bit of an issue with lipsticks, whether they come off too early or you put them on, they look really nice and then they go all crumbly and your lips feel like really dry. This is like the perfect formula. I don't have to top it up too much, and it's a lovely satin finish, not sticky, not dry. It's like perfect, and it's £2, and it says full colour satin finish vitamin E, and this is in the colour Selfie. So I mean, not spawn, this is just amazing. So we think our cat has a girlfriend, and he was out the back the other day, and he, if you listen, he says I love you. They were talking to each other and he goes, I love you. Can you guys hear that? So cute. And this is the final result. It looks so pretty. If you guys want to head over to my sister's blog and Instagram, you can see some of the pictures that she's been taking. And a little bit of news that you might know, or you might not know if you follow me on Instagram. Me and Holly are actually starting up a cooking channel or a baking channel, and that will be coming after I go full-time on YouTube. So we'll be making all these kind of pretty kawaii. Yeah, we literally said exactly the same. But we'll be making really pretty, easy stuff to do. So yeah, that will be coming very soon. And for now, you can just drool over this.
Just admire the unicorn.
Admire the food.
Corn.
Food corn. I've just put on my big USA sweater ready to chill. I'm so ready for hot weather right now. All of my friends are autumn people and winter people, and I am just like, give me sun. I don't care if it's hot and sweaty and sticky. I swear I'm not meant for this country. I swear I'm meant for more hot climates, because I'm so over being cold right now. I am really loving all of my new cozy sweaters, so I guess that's a plus. I also feel like in the winter I can't get away with wearing sunglasses, and I love wearing sunglasses because they can hide a multitude of sins. And if I don't feel like I'm looking very good that day, or if I have like extreme eye bags, which is like most days, I can just put on a big pair of sunglasses. But if I wear them in winter, I I don't know, I feel really weird. The reason I've been at home and not really done much today is because my car, because my car is actually at the garage and I think they're changing my brakes. I don't really know, I kind of leave that up to them, but they're doing it under my warranty, which is really good. And I just completely forgot, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go out and get myself a Starbucks. And then I remembered I don't have a car, so there is absolutely no way, there's no buses and it's quite far away, so I'm not paying for a taxi obviously for a Starbucks. But I'm lost without my car. I don't know what I'd do, and it's kind of annoying because I've just been thinking about Starbucks for a really long time, and I was like, really cannot wait to go and get it, and I can't get it. But luckily my car's been in there for about 2 days, and I'm going to get it tomorrow at lunchtime, so I get my freedom back. Yes. I'm just changing the quote on my pin board. This is actually from Urban Outfitters. I got it a few weeks ago and I absolutely love it. If they still have it on the website, I'll definitely try and link it down below for you guys. But I'm just writing dream big and love coffee. And these are a lot harder to put in one-handed. There we go. Dream big and love coffee is basically my entire life motto. And this is what it looks like. Something about this really reminds me of the 90s, and it's just really retro looking. I'm just going to move my magazine, and I do need to find a place on my wall to put my YouTube plaque. So for the time being it's on my bedside table, but it's actually being hung up, and there we go. If you guys thought girls were the masters at spying and finding people, my boyfriend has just tracked down the Facebook of this guy that serves us in a restaurant, and he's been going through his pictures. Turns out they have a lot in common, so he's like, shall I send him a friend request? We don't even know this guy's name, and we found him. Okay guys, I'm going to say good night. I'm obviously going to go and take my makeup off, and it's quite early actually. I'm quite proud of myself. It is, I mean, not early to some people, but it's 10:30, so for me to actually be anywhere near my bed by 10:30 is a bit of a miracle. And I've just had a chilled day. Obviously I haven't got my car, so I haven't really been out and done much. But my sister's unicorn cake thing, biscuit, was just stunning. Probably the prettiest thing I think I've ever seen. I've been to so many different places that do really nice cakes and stuff, and they never look that good. So I'm really proud of her. She's doing amazingly, and I am going to fully accept those calories and eat the whole thing. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye everyone.